see. Charger, books for library. So today I'm gonna go pick up my laptop. Looks like it's ready to go. So I got a call from Best Buy this morning at around 10. And this really nice lady just told me that my laptop was back and they had replaced the motherboard, which is great. That's exactly what was expected. That's what Geek Squad told me. And just to tailor my expectations, they said, look, it could take up to 3 weeks. It's 3 weeks. Or it could be as fast as 1 week. Luckily, it was the later. And it is available now, just roughly a week after it got sent out. Today, I am vlogging with the Insta360 Ace Pro. If you've seen on the news or if you're an Insta360 fan, they have a new one that is just announced. I guess they're going to release it in the next couple of days. So it'll be very interesting to see what they do with the Ace Pro version 2, whether or not it's just an incremental upgrade or whether or not they do something mind-blowing. For one, I would love to see it being smaller, but I looked at the teaser video and it looks like it's going to be the same size, same form factor. And if they do improve something, I hope that they improve the battery life and the 8K recording.
Turn right to merge onto C885.
Okay, ran a little bit late. Took a wrong turn earlier, just a couple minutes. Got it. Got 90 days in case anything goes wrong. I checked in. She checked my information, looked at my ID, looked up my Best Buy information,
Turn right onto East
and then came out on my laptop. I am going to go back and start installing the stuff that I had before. Now, I opted not to do any of the backups. They could have done that for me, but I opted not to because I knew better. I knew they were going to wipe the PC anyway. And really, there wasn't anything that I couldn't easily install myself. So might as well start from a clean slate, and that's exactly what I'm going to do once I get back. So it's now the following day. I'm now doing the vlog, the rest of this finished part on the iPhone 16 Pro Max front-facing camera. I will say I'm disappointed with the Insta360 Ace Pro as far as handheld, like straight out holding it, because it can't focus really close. That is something that I knew about, and now I've definitely seen it in person, tried it out. So it really isn't the best without an adapter. I'm really hoping that the new announcement comes with a new lens that will have a closer focusing distance. Otherwise, I'm going to have to hold on one of those little selfie sticks and hold it far out to take better shots that are actually in focus. Okay, so next day, I'm looking at all this, and they replaced my hard drive and they replaced my SSD. They didn't replace my hard drive. They replaced the whole motherboard, including the SSD that was on there, according to what the person told me. And they refer to notes and orders on here. It says that everything that they told me was accurately put in the description. So the check-in put in all the information on there, and it's all accurate. It's exactly what I said. They're very transparent about the notes on here, which is really good. So you know for sure what it is that they did. And very happy that they finished it in a week. And also that the laptop so far in my current testing, I just installed a few games in there, had it running for, an hour or 2 hours, no issues. And yeah, it's good.